Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B equals to sine A plus B. So we apply this formula for this one in here. So this one we have sine of 6x plus 2x, and this one we have 8x. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over 8 cosine 8x plus c, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.